Nandito tayo ngayon sa Quezon City. May gagawin tayo CRB. Kaso umulan, walang garahe si client. Ayan, si-set up kami ng trapal. Ayan, sama natin si Mark. Talihan natin ngayon. Gawa natin ng paraan. Ito yan sa Quezon City. Ayan. Ngayon muna tayo ng hagdan sa kapitbahay ni sir. Ayun. Tapos talihan natin. Lagyan natin trapal to. Para magawa natin maayos. Full glass detailing to. Ganda ng motor ni sir. Oh. Aerox version 3. Ganda oh. Ngayon wala nakita yan. Yan yung version. Bago nga. Wala pa ako nakikita sa alsada niyan. Pero ang ganda oh. Formado na. Baka RCB man mags na rin oh. Ganda oh. Formado na. Basta rin yung dito. Ang ganda. Alright. Yo, medyo masama pa panahon no. Pero ginawa natin ng paraan dahil walang bubong yung customer. Nilagyan natin yung trapal. Side by side muna yung ginawa natin. Gagawin natin dito. Baga dito muna. Tapos mamaya ikot na lang. Na-vlog natin ito ngayon para medyo may pang-upload tayo sa YouTube. Daming Peruvian dun oh. Peruvian manok. Ayun oh. Dami oh. Unahin natin yung windshield dahil medyo madugo yung windshield up. Yun tayo. Tapos side by side muna, tapos pag hindi mulan, sana hindi mulan, sana hindi matuloy. Unahin natin yung windshield kasi makapal na itong windshield. Yan. Mali ang issue nito ay chemical burn, tapos nagasgas siyempre. Yan, simulan natin. Gawin natin ngayon dito sa Quezon City. Marami siyang wiper marks, tapos yan o. Murusugat siya, tapos blurred na rin siya dahil sa nilagay na acid rain remover. Yung before niya. Ang sama ng panahon no? Start na tayo ngayon sa ating gagawin. Sige, banat!
J-Pro, 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 Auto Works. Shine so clean, your car reflects your worth. Dumang ka lang, kita agad ang galing. Ceramic cut detailing na stunning. Glass so clear, parang bago ulit. Interior fresh, walang kapalit.
From Pasay City, service guarantee. Quality shine, that's all you need.
J-Pro Auto Works, detailing and coating, where passion and precision keep on glowing.
From glass to paint, we make it shine. Your car's reflection, look
J-Pro Auto Works, detailing and coating, where passion and precision keep on glowing.
From glass to paint, we make it shine. Your car's reflection, look
Interior
inside.
detailing, every spot clean. Smells so fresh, pattern brand new scene. So J-Pro, we care for your ride with love and skill, side by side.
Ceramic coating that lasts for years. Protect your car from dust and tears.
Glass detailing with flawless grace. J-Pro brings back your cars. J-Pro Auto Works, detailing and coating. Every polish shows devotion shining.
From glass to seat, perfection seen. J-Pro makes your car
J-Pro
so
Auto
clean.
Works, detailing and coating, where passion and precision keep on glowing.
From glass to paint, we make it shine. Your car's reflection, look inside.
J-Pro Auto Works, detailing and ceramic coating. Located at Leverada Street. Back your car, J-Pro Auto Works, detailing and coating. Every polish shows devotion shining.
From glass to seat, perfection seen. J-Pro makes your car so
J-Pro Auto
clean.
Works, detailing and coating, where passion and precision keep on glowing.
From glass to paint, we make it shine. Your car's reflection, look inside.
J-Pro Auto Works, detailing and ceramic coating. Located at Leverada Street, Pasay City. We bring out your car's best shine every time.
Ginawa natin dito sa Quezon City, dito sa may Medical Street dito sa may Quezon City. Tapos na yung ginawa natin full glass detailing sa Honda CRV ito. Yan. Picture na tayo ni sir. Medyo mayayain si sir.